aren't in. Number 5. The Zebco 404 Spincast Reel Combo often comes up for beginners, and for good reason. It really simplifies getting into fishing. If you're new to angling, complex gear can be off-putting. This combo tackles that. You'll find the Spincast Reel uses a simple push button. This design significantly helps you avoid frustrating line tangles. Casting becomes much less of a headache. The rod itself is 5 feet 6 inches. It's a 2-piece construction. This makes it easy to pack for your trips or store neatly. What's particularly helpful is the included tackle kit. It's a basic assortment, sure, but it has essentials. You get hooks, sinkers, and some lures. This means you can basically head straight to the water. Another feature I appreciate for newcomers is the mechanical bite alert. You'll hear a distinct click when a fish takes your bait. This is great when you're still learning to feel for bites. You can also adjust the drag with a simple dial. This gives you some control when fighting smaller to medium-sized fish. Plus, it's quick set. Anti-reverse is effective. It stops the handle from spinning backward, keeping your line taut. This setup is well suited for most freshwater outings. It's quite durable for what it is, handling typical beginner catches. Pros makes casting and fishing very straightforward for anyone. Offers a complete package to begin fishing almost immediately. Transports and stores easily due to its 2-piece rod. Cons. The pre-spooled line is functional. You might upgrade it later for better performance. The biggest advantage here is just how easy it is to use. It truly lowers the barrier to entry for fishing. Imagine you're teaching someone to fish for the very first time, or perhaps you're introducing your kids to the hobby. This combo removes a lot of the usual frustration and lets you focus on the fun. If you're after an uncomplicated, reliable way to start fishing, this is a strong contender. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 4. The Sougayilang Fishing Rod Reel Combo aims to be an all-in-one solution. It's really geared towards those just starting out, or perhaps you need something very portable for occasional trips. The rod itself is telescopic, a key feature for portability. It collapses down quite small, easily fitting in a car or backpack. This is certainly handy for travel. It's made from a high-density carbon fiber and fiberglass blend. This combination offers decent strength for handling fish. It also gives some needed flexibility for casting. The guide rings are SIC ceramic. These are designed to help your line flow smoothly. They also reduce wear on your line over time, which is important. The spinning reel, well, it feels pretty good in hand for this type of kit. It features 13+1 corrosion-resistant ball bearings. This really contributes to a smooth retrieve when you're reeling in. That's what you want for a pleasant fishing experience. The gear ratio is 5.5 to 1. That's a versatile middle ground, suitable for various fishing techniques. You'll find the CNC machined aluminum handle is interchangeable, so it works comfortably for both left or right-hand use. It even comes with an extra aluminum spool. That's a nice touch, offering good value. The EVA knob provides a comfortable, non-slip grip. This helps maintain control during longer sessions by the water. You also get a carrier bag, a few starter lures, and some fishing line to begin. Pros provides a complete package to start fishing almost immediately. Telescopic design makes it exceptionally portable for travel. Reel offers a surprisingly smooth and efficient operation. Cons. The included fishing line is quite basic. You'll likely want to upgrade it for better reliability. The biggest advantage here is its all-in-one convenience, especially for newcomers. If you're looking for your very first fishing setup, this could be a great starting point. Or maybe you just want something easy to pack for those spontaneous fishing trips. This combo gets you on the water without much initial fuss or investment in separate parts. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 3. The Muiki Telescopic Fishing Pole Combo Kit is next. This one really focuses on being a complete grab-and-go package. If you need something ultra-portable, this kit is designed for that. The telescopic rod is its main draw. It extends to about 5.5 feet. Then it collapses down to just over 1 foot. That's incredibly compact. It's made from a metal and glass fiber mix. This gives it a decent feel for a telescopic design. The EVA handle provides a comfortable grip. You also get a tip cover. This protects the eyelets when it's collapsed, which is a thoughtful touch. The kit includes a spinning reel. It has a left or right interchangeable handle. The gear ratio is 5.2 to 1. It also features an instant lock anti-reverse. You get a selection of lures, about 50 pieces. There's also a nylon carrying bag. This bag has enough space for the kit and a few extras. Unlike some kits where portability is a feature, here it feels like the core design principle. It's even more compact than the Sougayilang when packed away. Pros offers extreme portability for travel or backpacking. Provides a complete set to start fishing quickly. Rod construction is surprisingly solid for its design. Cons. The reel, while functional, might be the first thing you'd consider upgrading. The biggest advantage here is its sheer convenience and portability. Imagine you want a rod for spontaneous trips, or maybe you're introducing fishing to kids without a big investment. This kit gets you on the water with minimal fuss. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 2. The Plusinno Telescopic Fishing Rod Combo really stands out. It's a comprehensive kit, especially if you're starting out. What's quite unique here is you get 2 complete setups. That means 2 telescopic telescopic rods and 2 HA3000 reels, ready for action. The rods use a high-density carbon fiber mixed with fiberglass. This blend aims for a good balance of strength and sensitivity. They collapse down neatly, making them very easy to carry in the included bag. The reel seats are stainless steel, which helps resist seawater corrosion if you're near the coast. You'll find the EVA foregrip offers a comfortable hold for longer fishing sessions. The HA3000 reels feel pretty solid for a kit like this. They feature an instant anti-reverse. This is important because it prevents handle backplay, giving you more secure hook sets. Power drive gears inside are designed for high strength under load. The deep aluminum spool is double colored. For line, it can hold, for instance, 140 meters of 0.30 millimeter line. The gear ratio is 5.2.1. This offers a good balance of speed and power for various fishing styles. Unlike some kits that give you just the basics, this one truly includes everything: fishing line, assorted lures, hooks, necessary accessories, and that carrier bag. It's more complete than many starter options, especially with 2 full rod and reel combos. Pros: includes 2 full fishing setups, ready for immediate use. Telescopic rods offer excellent portability and easy storage. Rods feel surprisingly sturdy and well built for their design. Cons: the included fishing line is functional. You might consider upgrading it later for optimal performance. The biggest advantage here is getting 2 complete portable fishing outfits in one package. Imagine you want to take a friend or family member fishing for the first time without any hassle, or perhaps you just want a reliable backup rod, or one for each kid. This kit makes that incredibly easy. If you're looking for a straightforward way for 2 people to start fishing, this is a very practical choice. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 1. The Zebco Spincast Reels Rod Combos 2-Pack. This is a really practical way to get 2 fishing setups. You get both a Zebco 202 combo and a Zebco 404 combo. Both rods measure 5 feet 6 inches. They're made from durable fiberglass, and they're 2-piece, so they pack down pretty easily for transport. What really sets these apart for beginners is the Spincast reel. If you've ever struggled with tangled lines, you'll appreciate this. Casting is done with a simple push button. This design significantly reduces those frustrating bird's nests. It just makes learning to cast much smoother. Inside, the reels have all metal gears. The pickup pins are stainless steel. These choices point to decent durability for regular use. The 202 combo comes ready with 10-pound Zebco line. The 404 has a heavier 15-pound Cajun line. This gives you some versatility. You can use one for smaller fish, the other for something a bit bigger. The EVA handles feel comfortable in your hand even after a while. Now, these are traditional 2-piece rods. They feel a bit more solid than some of the ultra-portable telescopic options we've seen. And the Spincast system here is generally simpler to get the hang of than a spinning reel, especially if you're just starting out or teaching kids. It's very forgiving. Poirot's offers 2 complete, easy-to-operate fishing outfits, greatly simplifies casting and minimizes line tangles, provides versatility with 2 different line strengths. Cons: the fiberglass rods are durable, but offer less sensitivity for feeling very light bites. The biggest advantage here is just how user-friendly this whole package is, times 2. Imagine you're planning a family fishing trip, or you want to teach your kids without the usual gear headaches. These combos let you focus on the fun of fishing. You can buy directly from Amazon using the link in the description. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. Which one would you choose? You can see updated prices and buy the products on Amazon from the link in the description.